Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole Sierra and I'm a Virgo who likes to do makeup, and this is my sorority sister Aliyah. She's a Leo who also likes to do
Scorpio!
Oh, you're Leo rising though. Or Leo moon. Do you have Leo in your chart? Scorpio! She's a Scorpio, so she's extremely thriving right now. That's why she looks so good. We're gonna get ready for our Halloween party that we have tonight. One of our sisters is throwing. It's a costume party. Aliyah's going as
Nathan Scott from One Tree Hill.
Yeah, and then I'm going as Beetlejuice. So I did kind of like simple, easy Beetlejuice makeup because I didn't really want to go super intense with like the face makeup. And we also talk about some funny, crazy stories that we've had together. So if you're interested in seeing how we got these makeup looks, what products we use, or listening to our crazy stories,
Scandals,
go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to be using Aliyah was so gracious to let me borrow her James Charles palette, but this was purchased when?
Pre-scandal.
Pre-scandal. So this is what it looks like. Wow, it is pretty in person. So I'm going to be using a lot of the purples to get like my Beetlejuice makeup. Are you going to use this too?
Yeah, I'm going to stick mostly to like these colors to be very neutral because I'm like not a makeup person. I'm so bad at it. I'm going to actually go in with concealer.
Yeah.
Because...
What shade are you in the? It's the Tarte Creaseless concealer?
Fair.
Shade Fair? What number?
10N.
10N. Yeah.
This is a Jeffree Star Thirsty palette.
I'm going to go into this shade into the crease.
With an iconic duo. Jeffree and James.
We're doing all the scandalous things today. So yeah, want to tell them where we're going tonight?
We're going to a Halloween party. That's why I look like this. This is a Nathan Scott jersey. We love One Tree Hill.
Yes. She was going to be a TikTok person. And I like never watched TikTok, and she was like, I'm gonna be the girl from TikTok, the Harvard something, and I was like, girl, I don't know what you mean.
It's Danielle. I think her last name's like Connor or whatever. The one who like says she's like one age, but everyone's like, girl, no, you're like so much younger. 16 or something. Or like 7. I'm going with shade Parched as a base shade. This is from the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette from his summer collection 2 years ago.
It's been 2 years.
A year. It came out last summer, not this previous summer. Not Hot Girl Summer, the summer before.
As you know, this is Aliyah, and Aliyah is, I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video, she's my sorority sister, and we're in the sorority, Alpha Gamma Delta, and I'm so happy that the sorority brought us together because I adore her and I love her, and she's just brought so much like laughter and like happiness and like, I don't know, just like a new door, you know what I mean? Like I feel like I've never met anybody like you, but I feel like you were like a missing like type of person that I needed in my life that like I didn't have, and like when you filled that, I was just like, wow. So fast forward. So me and Aliyah have had a lot of times together, and recently she was a participant in one of like the most dreadful, like craziest stories of my life, where like I'm gonna look back and be like, do you remember Bid Day in 2019?
Stop it. I laugh about that now. I tell that story a lot. I told them Thursday.
You did?
We went to go to Ulta because Kylie Jenner was having a sale on her lip kits at Ulta. They were like,
it was 21
cheap.
Days of Beauty.
Yeah, they were cheap. I remember that. And then we went to go find your car. And it wasn't there.
No.
She parked on the side of the road in Chicago, which is okay if you're careful about it. Well, the city decided to put up these
tiny little
classic
signs.
paper signs to say that you couldn't park there after she had already been parked there. So, whose fault is this? The city of Chicago's. You'll hear from my lawyer.
I parked there and I made sure of everything possible because I've been towed before. Keep in mind, this is my 4th time being towed.
4th time being
This is my 4th time.
I'm up to my 5th car accident.
I get towed a lot. And so like,
good
I
drivers.
checked. I made sure everything was right. I made sure I was in between the signs. I even moved myself to make sure like I wasn't even sticking out a little. But I still got towed because like when I came back, all of a sudden there was signs tied around every single pole, which there wasn't. And then there was orange cones now all of a sudden. There was cars all throughout the entire street. So like now all of a sudden there's orange cones. I was like...
And I think the best part is we were kind of excited, but only because it said that when she was towed, it was being held in the city still.
Yes.
Not that far from us. So we're like, okay, this is like a good sign.
It was a good sign.
There's a God. Joke's on us. We decided to
It's the good old time.
go. We went to Ulta, but then we were just gonna get dropped off at the address of the tow place. So like that's fine. They put in the address. It is Lower Wacker. So we're up over by like Navy Pierish, and we get dropped off where the GPS tells us to.
Underneath Lower Wacker.
There was nothing there.
Nothing.
So now we're confused. and we decide to go down to the river walk. Because I don't know, I think we either just went, we called, or did we just like go down there on
I think we just went over there and then we called.
I'm pretty sure we did. Yeah, and then we called and they said look for some kayak, and they said go towards the river. And we're like, the lake.
They're like, go down to the river walk, just keep walking towards the lake, go to the lake, just go to the lake until you find the green kayaks, and then you'll be there. And it was like, okay, like he didn't really want to give much direction, so we're like, okay, we can figure that out. We'll find the green kayaks.
And then we get down there, and I see like this like road part, so I was like, oh, okay, let's walk under here instead of like the river walk, because it was really congested because tourists.
Yeah.
And then we got really sketched out because it was like kind of, it was dark, it smelled like trash, it was sketchy.
It was
not well lit.
Scary side of Lower Wacker. Like, she should have been Lower Wacker for Halloween.
Yeah, it was terrifying. So we went back to the river walk because we're like,
we need to be with the public.
We're gonna die. There's 3 of us, but we're still gonna die. And then we found the kayak.
Yeah.
And then we're like, well, where is it? And then I see a lot of cars, and I'm like, oh my gosh,
we finally found it.
Like, okay, yeah, green kayaks, go to the lake, awesome, cute. Nicole, which one's your car?
Right.
Okay, so now we're looking.
We're laughing at other people. We're like, damn, look at that guy. They got him with his bike on the back of his car.
Savage, towing him like that.
We're like, okay, it's a Saturn. We're tired. Keep in mind, we walked a lot. We're sweaty. We're in our bid day shirts. We're like, woo, alpha gam. Like, we're matching. Imagine, like, we're all like about 5'2". Combined, we had at least 2 brain cells between the 3 of us. And like an elderly man was like, you girls look
You
lost.
missed the best part. The lot we were searching in wasn't the compound. It was a parking lot.
It was just a regular parking lot. We were looking for rows and rows and rows, and I was like, it's a Saturn. Veronica was like, is that it? I'm like, no, honey, that's a Mercedes.
Go to the lake. So we're like, okay, we call a Lyft this time. And we're like, maybe we just didn't find it. We were in a rush because the person who dropped us off was like in a rush. So we were just trying to get out of the car fast because we were just grateful that we even got a ride over.
Yeah.
So we're like, okay, like, we can do this. The Lyft drops us off at the same spot that we were originally dropped off at.
And she had no clue.
So
she literally had no clue.
We walked the river walk again for the second time, and it's kind of long. So it's been like about like 2 hours at this point since we were initially dropped off. We call the place a second time, and again they tell us to go
just go to the lake.
To the lake.
Just go straight
and
to the
then
lake.
Whoever was on the phone, we handed them to the Uber driver so the Uber driver could get like directions. They start arguing with our Uber driver.
Oh yes, she was so mad.
Yeah, the Uber driver's like, I don't even know what you're doing. Like,
I don't even know what you're saying. You're not like
you're not making sense.
Yeah.
And like, we're like, okay, all right, we're just gonna get out
like,
here.
sorry to drag you in on our mess. And we're just like, it's fine, just drop us over here, it's fine, we'll just get out.
So
we see a fire department.
Yeah, guess what they tell us? You're never gonna guess this. Go to the lake!
Just go to the lake. He was like, just take the stairs right here at the Riverwalk and go straight to the lake. You won't miss it. I was like,
yes, we will miss it.
Oh my god, like, can someone walk us there? And
we decided to take the sketchy road again.
Yeah.
Because I was like, listen, I have a feeling we walked on the other way.
Going on the outside in the Riverwalk was a mistake.
Yeah.
Let's just stay underneath with all the rats. We'll
Where we belong anyway. And so that's what we do, and we take it all the way down, and lo and behold, I swear to you, it was glowing. It was actually glowing. The compound.
The trashiest.
We thought we found our happy ending.
We did.
But it wasn't over yet. So Nicole goes in to get her car. Veronica and I sit down because we're just moral support at this point. We are just helping her out. It's a good thing we didn't let her go on her own. Because she would have she asked if she could like pay with card, but the card's not under her name. Can't. So then Nicole hits them with her secret weapon. What's your secret weapon, Nicole?
My dad, he works for the city, and like, you know, like, is there any way like he could like...
Her dad.
No sympathy.
Nothing.
He was so rude too. Remember he was being so mean?
Yeah, he's like, I don't care, you have to pay with cash.
He was like, yeah, 175 cash. Who carries 175 cash around?
Me.
Well, I didn't.
No, so then Veronica and I decided to go find an ATM so that we can get
They were
money
so
for
nice.
Nicole.
I was standing there, literally like with tears, and they were like, you know what? You had a long day. If you're done with this, we will go take another Uber, find a cash station. Do you think me saying cash station is weird?
I thought you said gas station for a minute, and I was like, why would we get money from my gas?
My cousin made fun of me for calling it a cash station. She's like, you mean the ATM?
We were gonna find her a bank, and get it for her. And then I wanted to be nice and find her a Chase so that she didn't get an ATM fee. And there's like a whole bunch of Chases in that area. And it's like 4 o'clock on Saturday. And they're all closed. We go into like this place. I think it's where like Fox News is.
Yes!
Yeah, because it said there was a Chase in there. And we couldn't find it. So we were really tired. So I was like, okay, let's just sit down here for like a quick second. Regroup. Get our life in order. So we're sitting on the steps and then some guy like comes up and like bangs on like the glass behind us and is like, you need to leave. And I'm like, okay.
That's so mean.
I know. And so then we also went and got Starbucks for Nicole because like I said, we were all just having a whole rough day. Instead of looking for this ATM, we're like, listen, there's a CVS, let's just go in. And it was like a $3 ATM fee. We're like, sorry, but we're done with this. We like go back and like Nicole's like passed out on one of the chairs. And she's like, I've been crying.
I cried there.
I know. And still, no reaction.
No,
that's so mean. Rude. Should I try blue eyeshadow?
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing with it though. Will you be there to fix it if
yeah.
We get her car and like she decides to drive me to the train station because I was going to leave on the 12:30 train. I didn't leave until 4:30. So she drives me to the train station and as she's driving she like makes this like wrong turn and she's like driving down a one-way now and
that's a one-way.
She had no reaction at all. We're like, hey Nicole, this is a one-way, and she's just like, oops. So I'm actually gonna do 2 highlights. The one I'm doing first is a colored one. And then the one I'm doing over it doesn't have much of a color, but it's more of a glitter one, and I kind of just want to sparkle. I'm going in with my Jeffree Star Northern Lights highlight palette. It is Supreme Frost highlight, so it's like baked. I love it. This is my favorite highlight. I've thrown compacts like this on the ground, and it doesn't crack. Since this looks harshly blue, because I'm very fair skinned, we are going to pat it out. Much better. Soft little smudge if you would. Okay, so since we did mute out the blue, and I still do want to shine more than this, I am going to go in with a second highlight shade. This is Diamond Wet, also from Jeffree Star. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with his highlights. They're really good. They're definitely worth the price point. This one's more of a glittery shade. For highlight, we're going in with Alaskan Ice. Again, from the same Northern Lights palette because it has a green reflect, which is perfect for beach.
Whoa.
You see the green?
I do.
Yeah, you do.
It feels so good to have someone else do my makeup.
I know, you want to fall asleep, don't you?
Do. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed having Aliyah here with her highlighting skills. And what else? Do you have anything to say?
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, just thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.
She said, who?
Yeah.
She's like really like...
Connect to the public Wi-Fi network.
Okay, Alexa, you're embarrassing
me. Your connection. Take a look at the
Alexa
section in your
stop.
Alexa app.
I'm gonna have to unplug her. BRB.
Oh my gosh, you want to see what my friend did?
Mm-hmm.
Is I have one blue eye. I don't